Yes. Because it's Thursday, no, you have to still try hapo kitabu kidogo. You see, there is a generation of us, the arimu mago mire. It was how long? I think that probably was 1997. Was it
97 or 98?
Thereabout.
I think it's 98.
Kwete maro kama ni era moyo.
Liria JJ kamutho agwete ni mekufuta arutani yothe.
Yes. Aekero akiwe kuria kuruta arutani acio angi. And you know TSC is the biggest employer.
Yeah.
TSC cannot fire everybody.
He cannot.
Logistically, it is impossible.
Yes. Even legally.
Yes. I think that time the Secretary General of the NAT was
I think it was Nganga.
It was not Nganga. It was, the guy from, is it Western or Luoland? Was he Adongo or he was who?
Adongo.
I think something like that. Yes. He did nigga arimu mago meri. You see, there was a wait and see game. Leo nito ikaragire shukuru matego ka. Yes. So you never call boarding. We kinya administration ekiwa atiriri. We can no longer have you in
school.
Yes.
You'll have to go home.
Yes. There was a week of very jaywalking and idling. Yes.
Of no much activity.
Yeah, exactly. And that has never happened that long again. Yes. There was a standoff. Matukuma ya magiri. Ni wakoraga de udhukuru uri. Ni mokira okire dhukuru takawaida. Wakora maybe, you know, senior officials the kitambo used to abuse power. Mokaiwa wa city.
Just like Mudhoni did in her
heydays at class 2. Okay, you are city kind of the provincial director of education. Shukuru Mona. What we got to arimu nenyu ahodhori. Mwesho kana momo kore kore ari. Yes.
Ukaiwa ndio kire jumbe.
Yes.
Iwa rutani mathie jumbe.
Murige. Muthenya ucio wako hana holiday. Tondu wakorare ukirathi irathi ciothe. Arimu mona mauma na ngeti mukarigo.
Kakwina ki
kwaja macogoretio ni head no akora cukuru uria wi school bus ri uroka ukimonganagia
ni masa muno ni PDE.
Yes. And the one who would move around, there were people who were very connected. Awarutuo metwo ni wasiri
mathiko
metwo ni wasiri
mathi jumbe
kamotho jumbe
acio guku no hwaini
kana rucio. No, you would do a lot of jaywalking.
Kemo ucio ni muthenya wa fifi.
Yes. Muthenya ucio ri ona mwarimu munene ni adelegateagira muciari authoritative okiathiuruki oku
muno cia mani wa PTA.
Yes. Kana head meni kana mundu ukoro active kanitha-ini o ero samia thiuruke and they would feel like they have been employed by TSC.
They felt all powerful.
No kawa dirisha-ini keep quiet. Musome. Mukarigwo riwe unake.
Mukamute otha ici hau.
Athi kiu kingi.
Mugacokereria.
Volume up. Mukambatia feda. Wakia mic. Yes. Ni akinya handu agatambura wira wa arimu akeherera.
This is an exercise in futility.
Na aria metagwo arimu moka maumete university attachment. Teaching practice,
yeah.
Acio ndu matiagithia kwi wasiri.
Yeah, acio makiathia igomano icio.
Acio ni attachment. They na whatever attachment. Riu ni matiga oku na andu ni mamairaga. Ni mwamenyaga. They woke wikara. Yes. And they used to appear younger than your mothers and your fathers.
Na tia ingiate Mario ru.
Acha, you see, the way attachment today, unless you are very daring, do akinya hado akohura mwana. Na nitwamenya twe immune kohoro ne teaching practice teacher. Diwese ne maheto mahi nyamau.
Asa.
Mago kunya. Please keep quiet. Can you please keep quiet?
Who is the prefect?
Where is the prefect?
Prefect yaja kunja leo.
Nani mudogo wake?
Hanaga.
Agetha kimuru kimwe kihana kinene kirathi.
Yes.
Not knowing that the guy is
the head of a cartel. It's a drug lord. It's a cabal by himself.
A goon.
Yes. Aka roadside appointment.
Akerado. Umai moga thake.
Andu maumurruka othe kiharo tipi ucio gacoka staff room kauga these ones are unruly ona andu mafurerete ma yes
kwaje ba imagine garingi ni tagitha ya thaa ithano uguo thaa thita
mwacoka mukoro time table mayau yuma na mathabu double
kaboom
ukauga shuka
ukamenye mwina mathaa macio
makwigangara
mana matano makwigangara
gwitulira
na kuhuna masturu.
Well, there were some who would take that opportunity to go home.
And enslaved
so they used to hate school. On Amodo ya bag. And that ripple effect used to be very effective. Oh ya bag da ya kurumiro ni agita vote.
Aloko akora mundu ainuka athia karime.
Ona kana karore akwirorere ng'ombe. Tona kwa gutire mundu igue riu araihagia njira kigira na guku mabera-ini uguo akoraga mathanda korio
niki gatuma inuke tene.
Yes. People would have freedom.
Now these other prisoners had to wait for 4 p.m. wegoro mwakiumaga thaa 10.
Yes.
Hindi yo rimu hurite sturu.
Oh yes.
Na hindi yo niro wako na very serious criminal activities.
Yes, glaring criminal activities. Of course they were the same. Wona ati da roka ine na ivuku.
Na kunyitithia karamu.
Yeah. Tunaiguka aithoma nofu ĩndĩ ũrĩa kĩna bata nakĩo
na dictionary
na nĩona aya angĩ ta makorwo very useless citizens amũrora rĩu akauga the future of this country is in very bad hands.
Hamjui kinachowangoja.
Okay, he's starting to do homework. Kwĩhe homework. Kaji weka exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. Na ile mwalimu mashoka normal sio kaigwa. What were you doing when I was not there yesterday?
I did exercise 1 and 2.
Very good. And you do ati?
Nilijifundisha wimbo mbili.
Mago.
I was having bad stomach. I eat bad beans.
Wewe kazi yako unafikiria tu kukula, si ndio?
Hapana mwalimu.
You are always having a bad stomach.
Ni mambo ya kwetu.
What about you, a boy?
We played a little at break time.
Unaona kazi yako huku ni kucheza kati. Na kuruka.
Ilikuwa kidogo tu mwalimu.
Ama uchukua boyfriend yako?
Sinaga.
Si nilikuwa nimesikia ulikuwa naye last year.
Huyo alikuwa kasini yangu. Hare hamura karagia biu. This app started heire homework exercise 1, 2 and 3. Akawa today evening all of you mukuje kesho kama mmefanya exercise 1,
2 and 3.
Rĩu mwathiaga gũgĩkora tuonie.
Gĩtuagwo
Tũmatũheo mahũmũ aka amogũrũkia ũyũ agĩthomia ndũgĩthiĩ ũtuĩke mwarimũ
ũyũ tũthomithagie
gũkũ watwe mathabu matahana
kana ibuku rĩu rĩaku ngobie
ndikũmũne mũndũ nĩ athome. Nacio mairagia tũkobia nĩo maiyaga status. Nĩo maiyaga status citũ WhatsApp na Insta stories. This life no balance.
nĩ wakora nginya mũthenya ta ũcio rĩu arutani matarĩ kuo nĩ mwathondekaga nginya icĩgĩ cia noise makers mũkanyita na ũguo mũgacokanĩrĩria ndethiki mũgathondeka gĩcĩgĩ
ũkaigua tarĩ thonjo ciĩ thukuru harĩ ũrĩa ũrenda kũkundeska story ũrĩa ũngĩ unake and there was someone with a crazy imagination aya na maheni but it was very juicy. Yes nĩ kwarĩ mũcai
mĩrangoro yua mũ advance kidogo.
Yes
nĩ wakora tarĩ mũjeci akera rĩu gĩkĩ kĩrathi he kairĩtu eriragĩria no matikaranagia rĩu akera boys arĩa maikaranagia mũgo
akauga rĩu nĩtũke kĩndũ gĩtagwo rĩrĩ sim swap
tũcenjanie yuke hau he karĩ ũke haha
nawe ũke haha
heo irĩma
kũndũ kũu harĩ ũndũ nyendaga kuga
wathiĩ harĩa roka-inĩ rĩ ndũgũikara ũrorete mbere ũgathondeka gathambutha na kĩgoko ũroka mũrora
rĩu nĩwe na karĩ
mũkonekana na ikio ina stable marriage.
Nuramenya there is no authority to watch over you.
No, you are it's a banana republic. There's no the regulator. Nenyo mweko. Ana mume muthie woko. Tando marathi honeymoon.
Muthenya ũcio nĩ wakorwo wĩ mũchangamũku mũno.
Sana. Yes. Muthenya ũngĩ wakora mwetereirwo. There was some snitches. Moka makaguo ũrĩa mũrekire. Rĩu you are list. Other mago.
Step forward.
Lilian Mukami.
Uja.
Hannington Nigacheru. Kwenda piga magoti pale mbele ya ofisi. Ukaligo, how did they know?
Ni muredi.
Are these people omnipresent? Uwe ulipeana.
Ninyi ndio mnataka kuoana.
Na ule alikuwa anakupeana, anataka kufanya hivyo anakosa guts.
Ukamugwa mbele.
Yes.
Ni ndo wake waru.
Unaingia himaya yake. Akaguikiria authority. Yes.
Eva kenda na 44.